Hey guys, we're back on the trail. We're back in the new year.
Yay.
We're at Ventura Botanical Gardens Trail today.
And that's located in Ventura, California, which is maybe like an hour north of Los Angeles. And it's supposed to be a 2-mile trail, 354 elevation gain loop. And it is rated as easy. And I have done this one before. It is easy. It's more of a walk, but it's a nice nature walk to go ahead and check out the botanical gardens. There are more details in particular for this trail because there is a $7 fee depending on the day. Fridays is free, so just keep that in mind. But we'll drop all that information in a link below in the description box.
Let's enjoy.
Bye. So you guys, here's a map of the gardens with some information. No bicycles on this trail. Dogs are welcome on Wednesdays and Fridays. The dark green line will illustrate that where we're going, the path, like that's actually part of the garden. We're gonna go off on the paved road though, so that we can go off to the Ventura Cross. So just keep that in mind.
And I guess today would be a heavily trafficked day because it's free, you know. Who doesn't like free stuff? And you can bring your pets. You make sure you wear your mask. Nowadays, everybody knows that, so it doesn't really matter. The good thing about here, it is gradual, the incline, but you don't have to stretch. All right, now here's a little split point. You can either go up the stairs and it cuts down the whole trail, but we're gonna keep on going straight. This trail here is all about the views because we're going to see the ocean quite a bit. You can already see it right there. Look at this view. Right here, keep going straight.
So fun fact about this location is that back in December 2017, the whole place was burned from the Thomas Fire. So it looks kind of like drab right now, but actually fires help promote regrowth because of all of the plant breakdown and the nutrients of the soil. So maybe in a year or so we'll hopefully see really pretty blossoms. Little benchy, if you want to take a little breather or just enjoy Mother Nature. Is going to round or switch back. So like I said, this isn't really like a trail per se to get to a certain destination. It's more just to go ahead and enjoy the journey. So totally up to you. Family fun day. Oh, I like these flowers. For those of you that love succulents, all of Ventura. It's really peaceful, huh? So we've come to a splitting point. You either go right or left. So if you go to the right, it's basically just to a bench with a view. But we're gonna take a left so that we can continue on our path. That's something that I really like about this trail. Just it's easy, but it's like a lot of little things to see. Like there's so many benches, so you can go ahead and take in the views. And there's also like these fun quotes or little blurbs on the rocks. Do, 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 do. Right there, you can go ahead and see Ventura Pier.
How clear that looks.
It's beautiful. so it's not super clear out, but off in the distance you can see the islands.
And as you can see right here on the side, there's a car going. That's actually the road that leads to the top of the hill where the cross is. If you don't want to do the gardens, you can do the cross itself. You just drive up to it and there's a parking lot. So, but you know, we always take the harder way. Here is a split point where you cross the street to continue onto the gardens. But if you really wanted to go to the cross, you take the paved road. But you can still take the paved road at the end of the gardens to the cross. So we're gonna do that today. Here you guys can cut through all the way up, or just keep going on the normal trail all the way to the top. That's just a little viewpoint. According to Odd Trails, the trail itself is about 2 miles, so it's not that hard. Very gradual. Here you can go straight, or you can go up the stairs. We're gonna go up the stairs. Everybody can come out here with their family. Easy. Because look, even with a fractured foot, she's on the trail. These two trails here lead to the same spot. We're gonna lead you to where you can take the paved road to go to the cross. But if you really want to continue up the gardens, you can just continue up the trail here and it'll take you going all the way to the top, which is up there. Where the people are coming down from. We're gonna cut through here. Just be careful with the cactus. I can't help you if you fall on the cactus. Here, it's a split road. You can come over here, take pictures. But today, we're gonna go to the right to head towards the cross to look at the overview. And if you guys look at the map here, you're actually on Breaky Road. So if you ever get lost going up here, it's called Breaky Road.
So you're gonna see this street here to go down. That's the street that you can actually take to come up to the cross, which is straight ahead here. This parking area does close at dusk, so just keep that in mind. Fun fact, during that Thomas fire, all of around here burned except for the cross. The cross survived. We'll go ahead and drop the address for the cross in the description box. So in case you just want to go see the cross, and that's it, that have that available to you. So we've made it to the cross and it's really beautiful right now. We're here in time for the sunset. It does get really crowded here, just everyone else trying to catch the sunset, so keep that in mind and just enjoy the views because that is gorgeous.
Hey guys, we made it to the end.
Yes, well, kind of end.
Yeah, in a way, but it's really nice up here. Really easy to get up here. I really recommend it. I mean, it's not a struggle. It's more like a fun day if you want to come out here with your family.
And even if you don't want to go ahead and do like a hike, you're just passing through Ventura, we recommend at least taking the road to get up there to the parking spot, just to go ahead and take in the view of Ventura, the cross, the Channel Islands. It's really pretty.
It is. But well, as we always say though, we recommend it. And thanks for the support. I mean, it's been coming in pretty good lately. But as we always say, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and leave a like. We'll see you guys later.
Bye.